guys, if you've been interested in starting the Dickens Village series, this is the video for you. I'm going to walk you through a few of the features of the buildings, and this is the one that I recommend you start with. It's the Book Shop, and it was released early 2026. And the reason I recommend this one is it's the first one I've designed that comes with a full YouTube video that takes you step by step through the construction process. So you can see firsthand how everything gets put together, so there are no questions. Now, despite that, this also, like the other patterns, comes with a very detailed guide to help you work on the assembly and lots of colored photographs so you can complete this building with ease. So some of the features of this one, it's the first one that I've actually hidden the electrical in the top roof, which makes it incredibly easy to access for turning the building on and off. And you don't have to bury it in awkward little spots. So it works really well. And to turn this on, you can also create this building without the lighting, but it's pretty cool because each of these areas has a little hidden scene in it. And that is for each of the Dickens buildings that in my series that I've been picking away at. They each have some fun little scenes that you can look in on with the lighting. This one also does not have an overwhelming amount of embroidery. You'll see some stitch work on either side of the dormers and a little bit along here and such. And it is all easily and expertly done using Sulky Stick and Stitch. It's a product I highly recommend. It gives you perfect embroidery every time. And you can focus on actually doing the stitches rather than am I going in and out of the correct spot? Is it going to look good afterwards? It always looks good when you use that product. The windows are done with just some acetate, so it gives a nice little window look. And this particular one has a pretty basic back, so again, it's one of the quicker ones to finish. And like I said, I keep this roof removable so that you can get in at the lighting, replace batteries as you need to very easily. Yeah, so I hope that you consider starting the series. The perfect time to start is now, and I highly recommend you start with the Book Shop. Thanks for watching.